Transformers and their bushings are important and expensive assets in electrical power networks, and they've become among the most mission-critical components in the electrical grid. Knowing the condition of the transformer insulation gives a correct input for risk assessments and asset management. Among other effects, high moisture content limits the loading capability, decreases the dielectric strength, and accelerates the aging of the paper insulation, thus reducing transformer life. Dielectric frequency response measurement, DFR, is a cost and time-effective method to determine the health of the transformer, including the moisture content of the oil paper insulation system. It's important to understand that almost all the moisture in a transformer is in the paper, not in the oil. Typically, more than 99% of the moisture in a transformer resides in the cellulose insulation. Therefore, the traditional method of inferring cellulose moisture content by measuring water content in the oil is much less accurate than using DFR measurements to calculate moisture in the cellulose. The test is easy to carry out. Connect 3 cables. Enter the insulation temperature and start the test. When the test is finalized, the data is automatically analyzed and presented. Several international standards offer guidelines for insulation assessment in terms of power frequency tan delta, moisture content in the solid insulation, and conductivity of oil. Referring to these standards, IDAX provides the user with a thorough description of the insulation condition. Measuring dielectric response at very low frequencies takes time. In the new IDAX, this issue is addressed by introducing a new and unique method where the test signal at low frequencies contains a combination of frequencies. This method significantly reduces the measurement time in the low frequency range and, consequently, the total measurement time. As an example, an IDAX measurement down to 1 mHz requires only about 22 minutes, the fastest DFR test available, without compromising the accuracy and reliability of the frequency domain measurement technique. Diagnosing the moisture content accurately in a power transformer is a very important tool in condition-based maintenance. The first IDAX model was released in 1997 and was the first test set for performing DFR testing in the field. Since then, IDAX instruments and the DFR methodology have been used by numerous customers globally. The methodology and technique have been refined over the years, and the 5th generation IDAX is the most versatile DFR instrument on the market. Fast, easy to use, and provides automated insulation analysis. To summarize, Mega offers the fastest and most user-friendly DFR instrument in the market, featuring AC measurements for high interference immunity, multi-frequency technique minimizing measurement time, individual temperature correction of dissipation factor, and automated measurement and insulation assessment. To learn more about DFR made easy, do visit us at mega.com/tx.